Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clone apps on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. In order to clone apps, you can use the secure folder that allows you to create a private environment for apps and separate the data between these apps that you add to the secure folder. So in order to set it up, we need to go to the settings, then go to security and privacy. Scroll down and go to more security settings, and then over here choose secure folder. Now once you open this option for the first time, you will need to set up the secure folder, which takes like a minute or two before it is done. You will also need to set up the lock type. You will need to enter the password that will be needed to open the secure folder. And once you set it up, you will be able to find it in the app drawer, for example, and this is how it looks like. In order to clone the app, in order to add the app over here, we can press this plus button over here, and then we can choose which app we want to have in the secure folder, and by doing so the app will be cloned. So let's say I'm gonna choose Facebook as an example, and TikTok, because we can add, of course, multiple different apps, and then we can press add. So now these two apps will have separate data. So there will be no login credentials, there will be no account. Everything that you have on your TikTok or Facebook account, at least in this example, outside of the secure folder, is completely separate from these apps over here. These are like completely separate apps. So that allows us to completely clone the app and use different data, store different data, use different accounts, and so on and so forth. And of course, later on, if you, for instance, decide to remove the cloned app, then you can press and hold your finger on the app and then choose to uninstall. And if you uninstall the app over here, you will not uninstall the app outside of the secure folder, so you will still have these apps outside of it. You can also create a shortcut by once again pressing and holding the finger on the app, and then you have the option to add to home. So if you do this, then you will find your app in the home screen, and of course you can recognize that this one is the cloned one because it has the screen lock icon in the bottom right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.